Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will discuss how to ensure secure payments on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then when you find something interesting, some item that you want to buy, simply tap on the listing and scroll a little bit until you see this section, Shop with Confidence, and check if this listing says eBay money back guarantee. Always make sure that the items that you're purchasing are covered by this money back guarantee, because that is the first layer of your protection. Before the checkout, also you need to review the payment options. So here you can see it is PayPal, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, and some other payment options, because all of these are processed through eBay system, and they give you full buyer protection. And never agree to pay with cash apps, gift cards outside of eBay. And if some seller asks you to pay off platform, you need to cancel the deal because it's probably a scam. And of course, make sure that your payment card, that your information of your payment card is up to date and it's linked properly. And after you complete your payment, after you made a purchase, always keep an eye on your email and the eBay application for order confirmations and shipping updates. And usually you will get the notifications right away when your payment is successful, and another notifications when the item ships. And if anything seems off, for example, you don't get those notifications, or the seller suddenly stops communicating with you, you need to go to my eBay section, scroll down until you see Help and Contact Center, and here report the issue immediately. So that's how you can ensure secure payment on eBay. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.